Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make blueberry crumb muffins. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I post new videos every Monday, Thursday, and Saturday, so make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out. So let's get started. First, preheat the oven to 375 degrees. To make the crumb topping, in a medium bowl, add in the flour, rolled oats, brown sugar, cinnamon, salt, and chopped nuts, which is optional, and mix them until they're combined. Then add in the cold cubed butter and rub and squeeze it into the mixture using your fingers until the mixture is well combined and the butter is about the size of small peas. Set aside the crumb topping for now. Then in a large bowl, add in the flour, cake flour. You can just use all-purpose flour, but I find the muffins always come out too dense that way, so I use half all-purpose and half cake flour, and it comes out perfect that way. Sugar, baking powder, baking soda, salt, and cinnamon, and whisk them until they're combined. Then in a separate small bowl, add in the canola or vegetable oil, egg, sour cream or yogurt, and lemon zest, and whisk them until they're combined. Add the wet ingredients into the dry ingredients, and add in the blueberries. You can use fresh or frozen. I like using frozen because they release a lot of juice. Don't bother thawing them if you're using frozen. And mix them together until they're just combined. Don't overmix the batter or the muffins will come out tough. This will be quite a thick batter. If you think it's too dry and not coming together well, add in a tablespoon or two of milk. Lightly grease a muffin pan. Grease the top of the pan too so the crumb topping doesn't stick too much to it. Scoop the batter evenly into the pan, about a quarter cup into each muffin cup. Smooth out the top. And top it with the crumb topping, filling it all the way to the top and patting it down. And bake it in the oven for about 20 minutes or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. When they're done, remove them from the oven and let them cool for 5 to 10 minutes until they're cooled enough to handle. Then carefully remove them from the pan and let them cool completely, or you can serve them while they're still warm. And that's how to make blueberry crumb muffins. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I have so many more on my channel, so be sure to check them out and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.